Hello everybody, welcome to the channel. I've been wanting to put some planter boxes on the side of my shop for this coming up year, and I've been doing some research online, and I believe I have found an easy way to do this. Maybe. These are like wood fence railings. I've had these probably 5 years and I never knew what to do with them. They already come cut like this. So I'm thinking we'll take two 22-inch pieces, have our legs flaring out like that. We'll take our 10.5-inch piece and put the top, and then I marked 12 inches down and we'll put another one. Now, pre-drill your holes because this wood came from Lowe's and it will crack. So at this point, you should have something that looks like this. Now, I think we take our another 10.5-inch piece and we'll put one here and here, and then we'll attach it to the other one. All right, we have these screwed on. Now we're going to take our other piece and just attach it just like that. Now you have a mini bar stool. Now we got two pieces left. We're going to take them and screw them in. I'm going to drop them down from these, about right there on each side. Might as well put a little stain on it, make it pretty. Turned out pretty good. Got this bucket from Ace. Ace is the place with the something. Now, I just drilled like 6 holes, about a 1/4-inch hole in the bottom of them. Now, if my math is correct, which it's usually not, this bucket should fit right in. Now we just got to put some pot and soil in it. Oh my God. That stinks. All right. Now we're ready to plant. Hey, I'm happy with it. Check this out. Turned out pretty good. Now you can make these all different sizes. I've seen online they have like 5 buckets and another level with 5 buckets and then another level. But if you ever have to move it, it's going to be a pain. So I think something like this is going to be perfect for me. I may make a few more of them and get some stuff planted. And I appreciate you watching. And I'll see y'all next time.